Hey guys, this is Monica, your local Scentsy fragrance consultant. I am in New Mexico. My website is midnightwax.scentsy.us and my YouTube is Spanish Hello. I just wanted to hop on real fast because I just did a wax Scentsy and vendor empties, and then I've been doing a daily wax melting challenge. I just wanted to let you guys know in most of my videos recently I've been belching or burping a lot. I cannot control it. I do take pills for it. It is because I am on Manjaro for my diabetes, and it has helped me lose how much has I lost? 37 pounds, so nearly 40 pounds. But one of the side effects for me is it makes me burp a lot. So in my videos you might see that, so I'm aware of it. I know what's going on. I do take pills for it, but sometimes, especially when I talk a lot, I get excited. See, it's starting to happen again. So yeah, I am aware, and I know it bugs some people. It bothers me. It gets on my nerve too. But I just wanted to tell you guys. I already know. Like, I mean, nobody's commented or nothing, but it does get on my nerves. So that is one of the side effects of the medicine that I'm on. I barely started taking it in July, and in like November, that's when I started to notice the weight loss, because before I didn't. So it's good because now I am off insulin. They're lowering my blood pressure medicine, and obviously I'm losing weight. I am from my pants size was a size 12. I'm now a size 8, probably like a tight size 6, so I'm getting there. This is the thinnest I've ever been since I was a teenager. I am right now, I am 56 years old, so something like 40 something years I've been overweight, heavy, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, what else was I gonna say? So yeah, if you ever get on it to control your diabetes, ask your doctor what the side effects are. It affects people differently. I've had some people get nausea and throw up. I know my husband was on it, not this medicine, a different one, and he would get headaches. But for me, I get heartburn and burping. And yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to get on real fast and tell you, if it bothers you, I apologize. Other than taking medicine, there's nothing I can do, and I don't want to be off the medicine because, like I said, it's taking me off my insulin. I'm doing good. My A1C was like perfect last time they checked, so I'm doing good with my diabetes. But yeah, it bothers me too. It gets on my nerve, and yeah. But see, there it goes again. But I think the more I talk, I get all like excited and it makes it come out more. So yeah. Um, Again, my website is midnightwax.scentsy.us and my YouTube is Spanish Hello.